the first thing we're gonna prepare is the ground beef. So get a pan, turn on your flame, put in a little bit of oil. Remember, our ground beef has a lot of fats and oils. After which, 3 cloves of garlic minced and 1/4 onion minced. So once your garlic has become brown and your onions have become translucent, we're ready to add in our 300 grams of ground beef. The next step is to put 1 tablespoon of allspice by McCormick, 1 tablespoon of Spanish paprika, tablespoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper, and teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 2 bay leaves. Mix it all up. And allow to cook for 10 to 15 minutes until ground beef is fully cooked through. So after 10 to 15 minutes, our ground beef is ready. Turn off your fire, transfer to container, and the next step is to prepare our salsa. Now we've chopped up our 5 tomatoes into cubes, our 1 mango into cubes, and our 1 onion into cubes. Just mix it all together. You can also add cilantro, but there was no cilantro available at the supermarket, so. Now to preserve the color of your mangoes, I have the juice of 6 calamansis. You can also use lime or lemon. So now that you have separated your ground beef, you have your excess oil in the pan. We're gonna cook our annatto rice or Atsuete rice to put inside our burrito. So first, heat up the oil. Put 4 cloves of garlic sliced and 1/4 white onion again, diced. Once your onion and garlics have cooked, now put 3 cups of white rice that's already been cooked. You can use brown rice or red rice. After which, 2 pinches of rock salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of Atsuete. So once all your rice is covered with your Atsuete, you have your annatto rice.